Welcome to XZ Energy by HMS Networks. Here I will show our Coffe Demonstrator with energy and field bus communication, handled by XZ SG gateways. As you can see, the computer is a simulated SCADA system visualizing two systems in the field. A coffee producing industrial production floor on the right hand side and a hospital on the left hand side, with its own power generator for backup purpose. The production consumption is measured by an electric meter that is connected via MODBUS, and the electric power is analyzed by a Janitzer module connected via MODBUS. The SG gateway bridges the gap between these devices, which are running on different protocols, and the SCADA simulation running on 61850. Additionally, it can switch optional consumers on and off using a relay module, remote controlled using 61850 to enable load shedding. In the hospital, the SG gateway with PROFINET interface controls the power generator that is simulated by a codesys system, which is presented on a separate screen. The SG gateway uses the digital outputs of an I/O module connected by MODBUS to control a relay module that is switching optional consumers on and off. All this is remote controlled by 61850. Our computer screen shows the hospital and the factory as well, with consumers and the power generator as lights on top, and the power measurements below. The separate screen simply shows the power generator's state. So let's see how it operates. The power demand of the coffee machine's heater is still in the green area, but when the production starts, there is a little overload detected, which means that there is more power needed than available. This is clearly visible when the red line is above the green line. The SCADA system needs to take action immediately to prevent the grid from overloading. The optional lights are shut down and the power generator ramps up. When the power generator is operating and feeding additional power into the grid, what can be seen by the increase of the green line, all consumers can be switched on again. After the production ended, the power demand is going back to an uncritical area and the power generator can be shut down. Get ready to launch. Okay, start of production. On top of the protocol conversion between PROFINET, MODBUS, MBUS and IEC 61850, the Coffe demo enables status updates via MQTT messaging. For monitoring, a message is sent every time the PLC begins to operate and when the emergency generator starts or stops. The SG gateway also allows direct cloud connectivity using either OPC-UA or MQTT to enable data logging as well as alerting. Here we monitor the power status data of the Janitzer module using Microsoft Azure. In the web browser, we can open Azure PowerShell to display the monitored data. Alternatively, the Device Explorer Twin tool that is connected to the cloud can be used for this. Next you can see the coffee production in slow motion with MQTT status events, picked up with the cell phone app MQTT tool, for example. Production start. Overload, load shedding with the emergency generator ramps up. Backup mode. Production stop and going back to normal operation. Time for a coffee. OPC-UA and MQTT do not only allow live monitoring for alerting but also big data analysis. For example, we can easily see how long the critical power situation due to the power consumption of the coffee maker lasted. 20 seconds only. Thanks for watching. You are very welcome to watch out for new videos.